Hello people and welcome back to Car on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the latest and most epic road moments caught on driver's dashcam, from close calls to road rage and many more, so make sure to sit tight because you'll enjoy in today's video. All the clips featured here are for educational purposes, and now without any further ado, let's get this episode underway.
I was letting him play in the office a little bit, and he
She didn't even notice, did she?
No.
Camera was just minding his own business when all of a sudden, this crazy driver passed him on the inside and nearly caused a serious accident. Car tried to pass the dump truck at the intersection and he lost the race and paid a high price as well. He fled the scene and returned 5 minutes later on foot. Drivers not using the turn signals while making a turn, running red lights, and poor lane discipline are a regular thing in traffic nowadays. Hopefully you guys out there watching this one can learn from these mistakes and avoid repeating them. Running a red light gets you nothing except of a high probability of you causing an accident. No matter how you look at it, running a red light is never the solution for you. Whenever you approach a roundabout, we would strongly recommend you open your eyes wide, because a lot of drivers don't know how to properly behave, and we have witnessed so many accidents on roundabouts over and over again. Driver was speeding on the road and passing other vehicles on the shoulder. He thought that he could easily get away with his reckless behavior, but unfortunately for him, a karma cop was at the right place and at the right time to intervene. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Car on DashCam channel. I hope you guys managed to enjoy and learn something as well from all the mistakes you saw. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because that will really help us out a lot. While you're at it, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.